Hi, sailors. Hi, boys and girls. We're here to talk about science today some more. Specifically, the subject for today is microbiology. Can you say microbiology? Very good. Very good. Microbiology is the study of little tiny living things that are everywhere, all over the world, on your face, on your hands, on the table, inside of us, on the walls. There are these tiny little, almost like creatures. They're called cells, or they're called amoeba, or they're called bacteria, or they're called virus. A cell has a middle part, a nucleus, and it has an outer part. And then it's like a little tiny little pillow, and it swims around and it can do different things. Some cells are very good for us. They help us with digestion, for example. Some cells are not good for us, like bacteria. Bacteria maybe make us sick, like give us sniffles. That is also caused by cells. Your body is made up all of cells. Scientists say there's over 250 different kinds of cells, and there are billions of them in your body. Cells are coming from the word room. When they first saw cells, they thought they looked like little rooms, and they looked at them and they found them under a microscope. You know, it's the opposite of a telescope. It's this big, and it lets you see things that are very tiny. Okay, well, boys and girls, we learned so much about cells. Their nucleus, they have a mitochondria, which makes energy for them, gets them going. They have little flagellum and cilia they can use to swim places. Cells are very, very cool, and the people who study them are called microbiologists or cytologists. Okay, boys and girls, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and use those cells in a very good way. Thank you very much. Let's talk again about science later. Bye, boys and girls.